Hey guys, so I'm back out here on the weekend with the STI and kind of excited about this little mod that I've already started actually. And it's basically deleting the secondary air pump. This is an item that's doesn't necessarily do anything other than add air to the catalytic converter. And anyhow, the reason why I've deleted it is I'm running a Mishimoto X-Line radiator, which essentially pushed everything backwards. So this is the front of the car, so you get a little bit of orientation. And what happened was the bottle, this reservoir, was touching the air pump and rubbing, and I was afraid that due to engine vibrations or shifting of the engine of some sort during hard driving, I would eventually stress and crack this, or even worse, crack one of the aluminum mounts and so forth. So went ahead and deleted it, and it's actually out here. So it's pretty straightforward to take out. It's just a bracket and a cover. Once you start doing that, it's pretty self-explanatory. But the part that I wanted to highlight is this element and this hose, and remember these two hose openings. So this goes like so on the side of the car, like this, and just gets stuck in there. And your air pump connects to this. This is actually fastened through this hole on this nut that I've already put back, and it goes through the back of the car. So you have to remove your intercooler, and the other hoses essentially connect to this solenoid with your barometric pressure sensor. So it goes, one of the hose ends goes here to this mouth, and the other one goes right in there, this one. So the reason I'm doing this video is that I found it very confusing to try to locate where the block-off plates are based on photos and how things are oriented. So just to give you a little bit of context, I'm sitting on the driver's side of the car. You go like so, you move back here, and what you want to do is you want to essentially, from this solenoid, remove this whole thing and follow this hose, this metal hose, down to the engine. And now there's so many things here that it's going to be hard to show. I'm going to try my best to do so, but what you're doing is you're trying to get down there, and you see it right there in the center of the screen. I'm going to try to focus on it, and it's right underneath basically this plug here. So it's right there, and that's going to be your first block off location. So hopefully you find this helpful. The other one is right down here, which is a lot harder to get to, and I'll make another video when I figure that one out. Thanks.